Okay, I made three 4.5 minute videos. I'm going to do one really short one here, under 1 minute. A drawing I completed in 2015 and 2016, which is many of it was drawn then, and has 5 stitched on drawings, sketches I did along the seated outdoors facing Puget Sound, like of sailboats and freighters and so on. And yesterday I took the backing off and tore some of the paper. Then I had to adhere new paper on the back in several sections, two actually. And this morning I did ink drawing to kind of recomplete those sections around his face there and there. All right. To L with culture, dropping the H British English style. Sir Herbert Reed's Magical Mystery Tour of Puget Sound in Seattle, Magical Mystery Tour of my artistic imagination. All right, there you have it. We're at 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Okay, that's it. I'm going to do just a quick clockwise view of some of those detail sections there. We'll stop at 2 minutes exactly. All right, there you have it. Sir Herbert Reed, the late great English art historian. There you have it.